Hi! In this video, I'll tell you all the most interesting things about the brand new OnePlus 13. This flagship has already managed to make a real splash, and now we'll figure out why. Let's start with the fact that the design of the smartphone is something special. Metal frame, minimalist back cover, and perfect body lines. The OnePlus 13 is available in stylish colors, and its thinness and lightness make it incredibly comfortable in the hand. The screen is a separate story. Here we have a 6.8 2-inch LTPO AMOLED display with HDR10+ resolution and support for an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. The colors look simply fantastic, and the screen brightness is amazing even in bright sunlight. The built-in fingerprint sensor works instantly, which adds convenience. Inside we have Snapdragon 8 Elite, a top-end chip of the new generation. Paired with it, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and high-speed UFS 4.0 storage up to 1 terabyte. This tandem makes the OnePlus 13 incredibly fast and powerful. All games and apps run at maximum settings without the slightest lag. And of course, the proprietary Oxygen OS 15 shell based on Android 15. This is a clean, intuitive interface with useful features that gives only positive impressions. Cameras, a new era of mobile photography. OnePlus has seriously invested in cameras. The main 50-megapixel sensor with optical stabilization creates incredibly clear and rich pictures, even in difficult conditions. The 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera is ideal for landscapes, and the new 50-megapixel telephoto lens allows you to zoom in without losing quality. And what is especially pleasing is that OnePlus has pumped up the night mode and added super stable video. Now, shooting on the move or in low light has become even cooler. The 6,000 mAh battery confidently holds a whole day of active use. And super fast charging at 100 watts will charge the smartphone from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. There is also support for wireless charging. Why is the OnePlus 13 your next smartphone? This device is for those who want to have it all: power, style, functionality, and advanced technology. OnePlus 13 once again confirms that the brand's flagships are a combination of quality, speed, and capabilities that inspire. If you're looking for a smartphone that will become your reliable friend in work, entertainment, and creativity, OnePlus 13 is definitely for you. Subscribe, like, and write in the comments what you think about this beast.